I got involved in Construction Club through the Activity Org Fair on campus here, where essentially they gave an overview of the club and tried to gain students' interest as well, which we still currently use that as one of our main methods of getting new members involved in the club.
I think I just kind of started by going to some of the general meetings that they had posters for, and then did that a few times, and then after that, I mean, the general meetings were always interesting, cool. We always had good speakers, but I kind of decided I wanted to get a little more involved, and then ran for an officer position and have been our outreach chair since then, and it's been a lot more fun since then.
Construction Club has been an integral part of my experience here at UW and in the College of Engineering. I joined in the fall of 2015, became an officer, the president in the spring of 2016, and have been heavily involved ever since.
Construction Club, I think it's one of the best opportunities on campus to network and connect with an industry that you're interested in. We have companies coming in from all over the state, all over the country, and it's a great way to apply what you know from the classroom and see how it applies out in the field. I think that's largely driven by the support we have from industries and their willingness to both present at general meetings and provide us with information and insight into how to pursue our careers after graduation.
So the competition, the local competition we do in the spring, which is a mock bid competition, that's a competition more set up for newer members or members with less experience within the construction industry, and it basically introduces them to how a mock bid works, or a bid day for a general contractor works.
You'd be in there working on numbers, not even talking, like you couldn't talk to anyone unless you were spitting out a number, and like the room was just sweat, and like people would come in and physically just be like, you guys smell terrible, and like we would not even care.
A lot of us, we're in this club because we thoroughly enjoy construction, have a passion for construction, so whenever we can find something that aligns with that, like Habitat for Humanity, it really brings both things together where we're able to take a skill, a passion that we have and use that to help give back to the community that we all live in. So I think that's kind of a perfect blend for us and kind of right in our wheelhouse.
It's definitely prepared me for going out and interviewing and getting the jobs that I really want to get, which I don't think I could have gotten if I weren't involved with this club.
For me, coming to an institution where I didn't know anyone, I was able to use the Construction Club as a beacon of success. I recently accepted an internship for the summer of 2017, so I strongly believe that that was one of the great attributes of me joining the Construction Club, being able to network with these different industry personnel and being able to communicate and ultimately land a job as well.
In construction, you're contributing value to your community. You're building a hospital or a school or a building that's going to help out a lot of people in the long run, and that's a big part of the construction culture and kind of the culture that we're trying to build and have built at Construction Club, that it's worth that extra time and effort to contribute something of value that'll be lasting to people around you.
Construction interests me because there's always something new. Every project is different, and every project is lasting. You're not designing and building something that you're gonna go sell and then do it again in the next year. You're gonna build something and it's gonna stay there for 50 years, and you're gonna be able to drive past it and say, I was project manager on that project and I built that.